Good afternoon everybody. I am once again here with you in Sephra Korea channel. I am her mom Marilyn. Today I am going to make for lunch, it is the Roce chicken curry. Roce chicken curry means chicken curry made of coconut milk. Okay, Roce we say in Konkan. Now look at the ingredients here. This is 1 kg of chicken cut into decent pieces. This is optional. Potatoes, I cut optional if you want, but I love to put because this absorbs the milk, coconut milk. This is the thick coconut milk. That is, this is all 3/4 coconut I have used in this recipe. This is thin coconut milk. Half a tomato. Okay. And for grinding, I use handful of scraped coconut. You have 1 small onion. You have a few garlic cloves. You have ginger juliennes cut. This is 1 marble sized tamarind and 6 to 7 red chilies. You can take red chilies of any kind. I have used this badly. Now here is the dry masala. You have half a star anise. Don't put much because some don't like that aroma. Here I have a few cloves, half teaspoon of pepper, black pepper. You have small sticks of cinnamon. I have black cardamom, and here I will put in 2 tablespoons of coriander and half a tablespoon of cumin seeds and 1/4 tablespoon of fennel seeds. Okay, you have 1/4 tablespoon of white sesame. You have half a tablespoon of poppy seeds. That's it. I have to roast these dry masalas, okay, with the red chilies, and later on I have to roast these 3 ingredients. These are to be roasted lightly. Okay, now let's go to my kitchen and I will dry roast these masalas. Come. The gas, let it be on the medium flame, otherwise your masala gets burnt. Just lightly roast them because you should not roast it for a long time because it will smell differently. Lovely aroma. I think that the roasting is enough. Let it cool down before I grind it. I'll put in this coconut. Onions and garlic. To put little coconut oil to roast it. And as you know, I always use coconut oil to cook. Let the flame be on medium. I think it's enough. The raw smell has gone. You must not fry it to become brown. Okay, because this is roast curry. Chicken roast curry it is. Only for the raw smell to go. I put it off. Let it cool down. Okay. I'm using the same container because in this I had made the milk. Wait. I can use the thin milk. You can use water or thin milk. You have to still grind it. It has to become very preparation. Heat the pan. It is done. Okay. Ah, lovely. Two teaspoons of coconut oil, two teaspoons of ghee. Put on medium high flame. Fry the ginger julienne. The julienne shrink a little, then you put the onion and fry till they become light brown. Leave it. Now you put the wet masala. Excuse me for using the hand tool because lot of masala stuck underneath. And wash this with a thin milk. I have to fry this masala till it leaves the sides of the vessel. I have not added salt. I'll tell you when to add. leaving the ends. Now is the time to put in the chicken. I have washed the chicken in 2-3 waters, drained the excess water, and now ready to cook. Stir this well and see the masala is immersed. Chicken is immersed in the masala and the chicken loses its color, slightly loses its cover. Meanwhile, let the flame be on medium high. Now is the time to put salt. This is the thin milk I used to wash the mixer. You can add a little more plain water also. Now after 5 minutes, when the chicken is 60-70% cooked, then I can put in the potatoes. Now cover and keep. Cook this chicken for 5 minutes, okay, on medium flame, and then we will put in the potatoes. Look, I have cut and kept in the water. पाँच मिनट झाले. Okay, see, almost it is 80% cooked. Now is the time I put in the potatoes. I love potatoes. Many don't like, but I love to put. You know, this coconut milk goes into the potato, and the potatoes also taste like chicken. Now after putting the potatoes, you have to cook the chicken till the potatoes get cooked. Okay, then I will check for salt. Let it be on medium flame. Okay, leave it to cook for another 7 to 10 minutes. Potatoes will be cooked. Yes. झाले मागीर 10 मिनटान ये 7 मिनटान 10 मिनटान पळोवया. Then cooks for 7 to 10 minutes. Then I have to put the thick milk and cook it for another 3 minutes. Okay, now let's see, it depends upon how the potatoes get cooked. Okay, in between I stirred now and then. Okay, now I want to see if the potato has cooked. Look, potato has cooked. That means potato and the chicken have cooked. Now I will fold in the thick milk. Okay. Look. Don't waste. Okay. Wait. Stir it gently. Check for the salt. Okay. And let it cook for another 3 to 4 minutes, because I believe some people just after putting the thick coconut milk they put it off, but this curry has to last for at least 24 hours. That's why it has to be cooked for the next 3 to 4 minutes. Now let me check the salt. It's correct. Very correct. Let it cook for next 3 minutes. I'll put it off and garnish it with coriander leaves. Some of them don't put the rose curry, but I like herbs, that's why I will put this coriander, green coriander, just to garnish it. Now let the 3-4 minutes pass by. I'll reduce the flame. I'll garnish with the coconut and put it off. With the coriander. I'll put off. Come. We'll go at my work table and I will serve it in a dish. Come. First class dista mure. Julian. See the color. Forget the color. That's a taste pode. Best. I'm not going to taste. It's very hot. But I think how it looks shows that it is cooked. Okay, my dear viewers, cook, eat, and remain healthy. Click the bell icon and ask for more recipes. I'll get back to you. Have a nice day. Julian, you can taste it. I'll serve you now lunch.